In this clip we're going to be looking at a few simple things that's going to enable you to suss out where people are going when they're coming on a roundabout, and that's if they don't signal. The vehicle that we're going to be watching is the Ford Focus that's just in view now. And first of all, look at its position. It's to the inside of the roundabout. I know that could still mean that it could be going straight, especially if you look closely at its wheels, which are still pointing straight. But I don't know, so I show caution and I slow it down. Again, at this point it's important to look at its wheel position. And as we now see clearly, they're turned to the right. It's definitely coming round in front of me, so I'm going to slow down and give way. I know I've just used quarter speed to actually have a look at these things, so in real life that shows you how quickly you've got to be with your observation to pick up on this. So even though an early right signal would have helped me massively as the car was approaching the roundabout, I was still able to sort it. So the next time you complain that someone didn't signal and you didn't know where they were going, does that mean there's a lack in your observational ability? Keep safe, I hope to see you soon.